As we all know that we have some fundamental rights, right? We have the right to equality, right to religion, right against exploitation, right to culture and education, right to freedom, and right to constitutional remedies. And at the same time, we also have certain duties and responsibilities as the citizen of India. In this video, we will be sharing about what are our fundamental 11 duties as an Indian citizen. The first fundamental duty states that to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. Now, all of us know the importance of these national ideals. We really fought to get our independence. It is quite important that we respect and preserve all these national ideals. The second duty states that to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our struggle for freedom. Now, as all of us know, in 1947 we attained our independence, and in the year 1950 the Constitution of India came out, for which we are celebrating this Republic Day. The third duty states that to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Now, all of us know India is a combination of different states, different cultures. It is one of our fundamental responsibility to protect its sovereignty. The fourth duty states that to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. During the extreme times, when there is a necessity, all of us as citizens of India have to step in to protect our nation. Now, that's one of our fundamental duties as well. The fifth duty states that to promote harmony and spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic and regional or sectional diversities, to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women. Now, it is our responsibility to protect all the citizens of India and to give them the necessary respect as we live in this community. The next duty states that to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Indian culture is quite unique. Now, all of us will really know this, right? And hence, to preserve our culture is one of the fundamental duties of us as well. To protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers, wildlife, and have compassion for living creatures. It is quite interesting the way that Constitution also cares about all the living creatures on this country, and hence taking care of them is our responsibility. To develop the scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. So all of us should develop a natural curiosity towards science and what kind of contribution that we can make for our country. To safeguard public property and to abjure violence. Now, our country is very unique because we followed the ahimsa or non-violence, and then we got our independence. Following our method, so many countries have got independence in this entire world, and violence in any way is not something that we follow as in our ideals. To strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievement. Looking for excellence is one of the most important human values. So whatever that we are doing, we can try to move forward, improve yourself in one step further, right? Now, that is a responsibility of Indian citizen. The last and the final one is to who is a parent or a guardian, to provide opportunities for education to his child as the case may be, what between the age of 6 to 14 years. Now, right to education is one of the fundamental rights that all of us have, right? And every children between the age of 6 to 14 should be sent to school. Now, that is the responsibility of every parent living on this country. And this is the new duty that has been added to the Constitution in the year 2002. Now this is all the 11 duties that as citizens of India we should be following on this country. Please make sure that you are sharing this video with your friends and other citizens of India to ensure that they know about their fundamental responsibilities. Please subscribe to the EduRiseGlobal channel and hit the bell icon if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to seeing you on another one.